You are stronger, you are stronger. Sin is broken, you have saved me. It is written, Christ is risen. Jesus, you are Lord of all. You are good, you are good. When there's nothing good in me, you are love on display for all to see. You are light, when the darkness closes in. You are hope, you have covered all my sin. And oh, I'm running to your arms, I'm running to your arms. The riches of your love will always be enough. Nothing compares to your embrace. Light of the world, forever reign. Falling on my knees in worship, giving all I am to seek your face. Lord, all I am is yours. My whole life I place in your hands. God of mercy, humbled I bow down in your presence at your throne. And I called, you answered, and you came to my rescue. And I wanna be where you are. And I will fear no evil, for my God is with me. And if my God is with me, whom then shall I fear? Whom then shall I fear? And oh no, you never let go. Through the calm and through the storm, oh no, you never let go. And every high and every low, oh no, you never let go, Lord, you never let go of me. 1,000 times I've failed, still your mercy remains. Should I stumble again, I'm caught in your grace everlasting. Your light will shine when all else fades, never ending. Your glory goes beyond all fame. In my heart and soul, I give you control. Consume me from the inside out, Lord. Let justice and praise become my embrace, to love you from the inside out. And everlasting, your light will shine when all else fades, never ending. Your glory goes beyond one who gave it all. And I'll spend my soul, Lord, to you surrendered all. I am is yours, and all I am is yours. And what can I say? And what can I do but offer this heart, oh God?